money so lewo love ọbẹ̀ tí ń bẹ̀lẹ̀ òkùnkùn wọlé wọlé bàbá wa. Àwa lọmọ onígbà ọmọ dé o. Ọmọ onígbà ọmọ wa.
My name is Honorable Olamigoke Jatuwase. I am the Executive Chairman, Ilaje Local Government in Ondo State.
Okay, sir. Well done, sir.
Thank you, sir. There were some reports that just got to me this evening, and this number was sent to me, that this is the CP of Akwa Ibom State.
No, I'm not the CP. I'm the DPO.
The DPO?
Yes, of Ibuno.
Okay, of that, of the local government where there was crisis.
Yes.
So, sorry, I just want to really confirm the situation now.
No, it's calm.
The situation is calm now.
Yes.
Okay. Please, as much as possible, kindly assist us to ensure that our people are safe.
Yes, no problem. We work hard. Anyone that is trapped somewhere, we've gone for rescue swimming. There's no problem. Let the rest come now.
Okay. Because what we are told that our people are now staying in the bush and all their properties.
What happens is that when the crisis started, everybody scattered. Those that had my number or any of my friend number, when they come, I'll move in and rescue the people.
Okay.
I tried, even when this thing was coming up, I tried to make them. There are two warring parties. They don't want to listen to me. Both the Yoruba and the Ibuno. They don't want to listen. I tried to calm them down. When I was on patrol, going to respond to another distress call, and they now started fighting. And now came in and separated them again. So before then, so many things have happened. It's like burning of canoes, engine, this. So it's really unfortunate.
Highly. And what exactly did they say is the problem? Because these people that called me could not give me...
The thing is that ordinarily, what caused this is not supposed to escalate. Because it's just a problem between two factions. Somebody beats the other person. The Yoruba and one Yoruba guy and his group beats the one man and his son. Ordinarily, it could be settled. But there was nobody died in such thing. Nobody even reported to police. And before you know, community boys. In short, it came to community clash between Ibuno and the Yoruba. So it's really unfortunate. But what I can understand is that there had been maybe one.
They have been whatever they are among them before. Hello, I'm hearing you.
What I understand is that there had been tension between the two communities. Ordinarily, what happened is not supposed to escalate into such big communal clash. It's really unfortunate, honestly. But anyway, everything is in order now. Just that some, most Yoruba are scared. So they are looking for their way out.
Okay.
Most of them, they've gone to neighboring
local government.
Town, yes. Those that have relatives, they've come to carry, But everything's in order now.
It's okay.
We are still at alert.
Okay. We are just fine. I will continue to interface with you so that I can get a clear position on it as much as possible. I sympathize with you and the people of that place, and also with our people. They went there for their normal daily occupation, because the land are there for fishing and all of that. So, and they have been there for quite some time.
Somewhere up to 20 years, 30 years.
I've heard of such a...
So forever, they are indigenous. The Constitution says that when you're up to 10 years, you are indigenous of that place.
Of that place, yes, that's the law. That's the definition of the law.
I don't know. And we are one Nigeria. I don't know why all this rubbish. It is well.
It's all right. I want to appreciate your time and thank you for the intervention. I just wish you'll be able to sustain the relative peace that have surfaced there. As well.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.